dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino, chaos everywhere, riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. Hee-haw! 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 2 little dinosaurs. Hee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. No, Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train." Choo, choo, cow. Crazy, crazy train. Hee-haw! 1 little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. No, Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy dinos steal the show. Wow. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like bup, bup, bup. Teacher Kitty says, "Sit, sit, please." Cow goes mew, "I eat my cheese." Cow starts chewing desk instead. Bugs bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, "What, none?" Pig says, "Drums, this is fun." Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like the show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, "Please." Rooster shouts, "No, no, no, ease." Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh.
Oh, no.
Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, "Calm down now." But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. God enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, "Munch, munch, yummy, test." Kitty sighs, "This is a mess." Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty crumbs, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts
no.
with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Morning fun goes dark and slow. No kakaboda in a row. Animals sleeping everywhere. Everyone who's not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No Rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, beep, beep. Rooster tries but no sound comes then. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cock-a-doodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try. No cock-a-doodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case. Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, our mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle. Morning sound is on the track. He memos wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light.
I feel so down.
Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Slap beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meep, meep, meep. Morning sound is on the track. Meep, meep, meep. Ding, ding, bell, school is near. But something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding. bubbles, crack, cash plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles just crash, crash. Stop, up, pop, up, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and flips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.
Join our bubble park. It's so much fun.
Splash, splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, 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 splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun, go, go splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs, slow down please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, 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 splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun, go, go splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says what a splashy crash. Pop, 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 splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun, go, go splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, 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 splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun, go, go splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark